Looking to upgrade your headphone sound in 2025? A great headphone amp can unlock detail, depth, and clarity you've been missing. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best headphone amps of 2025, all between $149 and $600. From punchy desktop units to studio-grade gear, there's something here for every audiophile. Stick around. One of these might just transform your entire setup. Number 5. Schiit Magni Unity Fully Discrete Headphone Amp and Preamp. Black price at $149. If you're just stepping into the world of high-quality audio, the Schiit Magni Unity is the perfect entry point, delivering serious performance at an unbeatable price. What sets the Magni Unity apart is its fully discrete design, which means no op-amps in the signal path. That translates to a cleaner, more natural sound with better dynamics and lower distortion, qualities you'd expect from much pricier gear. Despite its compact size, the Magni Unity packs plenty of power, effortlessly driving everything from sensitive IEMs to 300-ohm headphones. Its 3-position gain switch gives you full control over output, so you're always in the sweet spot whether you're listening quietly or pushing volume. It's also incredibly versatile. Thanks to its preamp output, the Magni Unity can double as a controller for your powered speakers or desktop monitors, making it a great centerpiece for a budget-friendly audio setup. The all-metal construction feels sturdy, and like all Schiit gear, it's built in the USA with a focus on performance over flashy extras. For just $149, the Magni Unity offers unbeatable value, clear, powerful sound with real audiophile credibility. A must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop listening experience without breaking the bank. Number 4. Audiophiles Audio Zen CAN Signature Balanced Desk-Fi Headphone Amplifier. Price at $279. The Audiophiles Audio Zen CAN Signature is a versatile and powerful headphone amplifier designed to satisfy both casual listeners and audiophiles on a budget. One of its standout features is the balanced 4.4mm output, which offers better channel separation and reduced noise compared to single-ended connections. This makes it ideal for those using balanced headphones or seeking a cleaner, more detailed listening experience. The Zen CAN Signature is tailor-made for popular headphones like the Sennheiser HD 6x650/650/660s, featuring a custom EQ mode that enhances their natural tone without overpowering it. This amp's class of discrete circuitry delivers rich, dynamic sound with a warm yet transparent character. With 3 gain settings, it can handle everything from sensitive IEMs to demanding high-impedance headphones with ease. Additionally, the amp includes X-Bass and 3D spatial enhancement modes, letting you customize your soundstage and bass response to your liking. Its sleek, compact design fits perfectly on any desktop setup, and the all-metal chassis gives it a premium feel. The Zen CAN Signature also offers multiple input options, making it a flexible hub for your audio sources. At $279, the Audiophiles Zen CAN Signature strikes a fantastic balance between performance, features, and price, making it a top contender for anyone wanting to boost their headphone audio quality in 2025. Number 3. The Topping A90 Discrete is a powerhouse headphone amplifier, designed for audiophiles who demand precision and power in a sleek package. It features the advanced NSCA, nested feedback composite amplifier, technology, delivering ultra-low distortion and noise, ensuring your music sounds clean, detailed, and dynamic. This amp supports multiple output options including 4-pin XLR balanced, 4.4mm balanced, and 6.35mm single-ended, making it compatible with nearly every headphone out there, from sensitive IEMs to high-impedance full-size cans. One standout feature is the Bluetooth remote control, adding convenience when adjusting volume or switching inputs, perfect for desktop setups or when relaxing away from the amp. The A90 offers 3 gain settings to handle a wide range of headphones with ease, and its fully discrete design guarantees transparency and natural sound without coloration. Its minimalist black chassis is solid and stylish, fitting seamlessly into any audio rig. At $599, the Topping A90 Discrete delivers a perfect balance of power, clarity, and flexibility. making it a top-tier choice for serious headphone enthusiasts in 2025. Number 2. Rupert Neve Designs RNHP Stereo Precision Headphone Amplifier, price at $564. The Rupert Neve Designs RNHP is a precision-engineered headphone amplifier that carries the legacy of one of the greatest names in audio history. Known for legendary mixing consoles, Rupert Neve's design philosophy shines through in this compact yet powerful headphone amp. Built with high-quality components and a fully discrete Class A circuit, the RNHP delivers an incredibly clean, transparent sound with remarkable accuracy and depth. It's designed for critical listening, making it a favorite among recording engineers, producers, and audiophiles who demand absolute sonic fidelity. This amp offers 2 gain settings that allow you to tailor the output for both sensitive in-ear monitors and power-hungry studio headphones. With very low noise and distortion across the range, the RNHP sports balanced XLR and unbalanced TRS inputs, and its robust metal chassis is both durable and elegant, making it suitable for professional studios or high-end desktop systems. Its warm yet transparent character reveals subtle details and a natural soundstage, bringing music to life with emotional impact. Priced at $564, the Rupert Neve RNHP is a top-tier headphone amplifier that perfectly balances studio-grade performance and musicality, making it a must-have for serious listeners and professionals alike in 2025. Number 1. Chord Suzi Pre, Phono Preamplifier and Headphone Amp, price at $2,995. At the top of our list is the Chord Suzi Pre, a stunning combination of a phono preamplifier and headphone amplifier that redefines what high-end audio gear can deliver. Designed for audiophiles who demand nothing but the best, the Suzi Pre offers impeccable sound quality and exceptional versatility. Built with a fully balanced, discrete Class A design, the Suzi Pre delivers ultra-clean, distortion-free amplification that brings out every nuance in your music. Whether you're listening through high-impedance headphones or playing vinyl through its phono stage, this unit shines with incredible clarity and dynamic range. Its boutique-grade components, including premium Alps potentiometers and hand-selected capacitors and resistors, ensure precise control and transparency. The Suzi Pre's fully balanced architecture provides excellent channel separation and a spacious soundstage that immerses you in your music. Though it comes with a hefty price tag at nearly $3,000, the Suzi Pre is an investment in pure audio excellence. For serious audiophiles who want a versatile, high-performance amp and preamp combo, the Chord Suzi Pre stands unmatched in 2025. Whether you're stepping into the audiophile world or upgrading your setup for serious listening, the right headphone amplifier can make all the difference. From the budget-friendly Schiit Magni Unity to the studio-grade Rupert Neve RNHP, and topping off with the ultra-premium Chord Suzi Pre, 2025 offers something incredible at every price point. Each amp on this list delivers exceptional sound, power, and clarity, but the best one for you depends on your headphones, your setup, and your ears. So take your pick, dial in your sound, and rediscover your music the way it was meant to be heard.